Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn off location sharing on Google Maps. So let's get right into it now. You can do this on either the web version or the mobile version. The process is pretty much the same. All you need to do is access your account settings or account management here in the top right. Just click on your profile icon and just go into your account management menu, and then you'll get to a menu such as this. Now when you're here at the left, as you can see in this sort of toolbar, sidebar, call it whatever you want, you have people and sharing. Now this is exactly where you want to go, and here you'll see all of these options over here, with one of them being, of course, location sharing. So what you want to do is just click manage location sharing, and as you'll see in my case, I'm not sharing my real-time location with anybody. However, if you did turn it on and if you are sharing your location with anybody else, again, this is pretty much the same across all platforms, you will see a list of all the people you're sharing with here. Now, in case you don't want to share your location with somebody anymore, all you have to do is just find that person in the list that will appear here, and then you'll just have to disable location sharing, and then that is pretty much it. Now I can't sadly show you because of course I'm not sharing my location with anybody, but it is what it is. Pretty much the process is that simple. It's really nothing complicated. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.